Hi, I'm Gil Younger, and I want to direct you. My simple hope is that I can share my 45 years of experience and inspire you to look within. Find your authentic voice, unencumbered by fear or self-limiting thoughts or the complex myriad of techniques being taught that only take you further and further away from your extraordinary gifts. Come, join me. How did that feel?
Too easy. I can't buy it.
Oh my goodness. I mean, it's like everything just came alive so much more.
It's just, it really unlocks something, Gil. It's like, it's clear.
Like you provided a way for us to trust ourselves more. And
Yes.
that's so amazing.
Love it. That was extra enjoyable because you're such a master with it. And it's just really cool to like work on that with you.
God, I love what you just did. You simplified it. You freaking took it apart. It was awesome.
I love the note of what is the most influential sentence in a scene. Like,
right?
Right out of the Patrice Heart Soul playbook.
That is so awesome. Just right out of the Heart Soul playbook. You got to put that somewhere.
That felt great.
You are right. I'm taking away all the exclamation points and all the stage directions from.
It just made it a lot more fun and real to me. You're awesome. I'm glad I got to take this class. So thank you.
Thank you, because it's giving me a chance to just have more fun with it and just take more risks than I normally would.
I think it was awesome how your notes essentially led them to the conflicting energies, which made it interesting.
You doing this workshop is such a gift to us.
Get the dog. Bring the dog.
What get your dog.
Okay, got it.
This is what we do.
I love how you broke it up in the levels that you added to it. Yeah, it was fun.
The way you broke down this particular scene, I do like that escalation of those, I guess those steps in intention in creating that conflict. I really enjoyed that.
I loved it. I loved your direction.
The notes and the thoughts are just so helpful. With this process, it's just so much clearer. I wish I had done this years ago.